Hello friends, today I have motherboard. It's a laptop model HP Probook 450 G5. Motherboard model number is DA0X83MB6H0. This main problem is CPU is short. See, this CPU model number SRZW. This is a i3 7 Gen. This customer's request, he want to upgrade it to i5. Now I have i5 7 Gen CPU to replace. See, this PCH are physical damage, full short 3-volt line, and this is a damage area. Now we can start our process. Friends, friends, firstly I preheat this. I add plugs. I add again plugs. Friends, our preheat job is done. Now I this motherboard add to BGA machine and this chip is removed. Friends, I remove this shorted SOC chip from the motherboard. Now we can start cleaning this pad and replace new SOC. I clean this area with isopropyl alcohol. Friends, our all tin remove and pad cleaning job is done. Now I do one thing. See, now I upgrade to i5, i3 to i5. Before new chip add in, this BIOS want to clean ME. Now we can start our clean ME process. Friends, now I plug Raccoon programmer to machine. I add BIOS chip to this adapter. See, this is a BIOS file. I copy it and paste to C folder. When copy is done, now we can start our ME cleaning process. Firstly, open FITC tool. This is a flash image tool. Open file. See, go to build setting, generate intermediate file, enable boot guard warning, Intel R platform trust. See this technology warning message. See, no, no, no. Close it and save it. Friend, I forget to show you this step. Firstly add it to ME analyzer and enter. See, family CSC ME version 11.6.1.1142. Release production type extracted SKU consume LP chipset SPT KBP LPC security version 1, and see this one is the file system status initialized. Okay, after cleaning ME, this state change to config mode. This is a ME FITC tool. Build this folder. Now copy. This is a ME file. Copy. See, paste here and rename this and get the name. Control C and delete file. Add this ME region name to this file, new file. Now open this United XML. Create build image. See, job is done. Now we can check it too with ME analyzer. See friend, version all are same. Now config move. This is our old file. See, see the difference between these files. This is the old file initialized. Now I clean ME file configured. Okay. Now our job is done. Remove any Raccoon Flash Explorer, this file. Paste our out image file to this folder. See, our job is done. Close it, and remove it. See, friends, see, this is the press print mark. Now, see the chip. This is a press print mark. Okay, we want to add it. See, friend, a white color line. See, alignment is 100% okay. Friends, my CPU soldering process is done. Now I clean this area. See friend, our job is done. Now I add this capacitor. Before this machine check-in, I found this capacitor is short. I add new one. Friends, our job is early step are now complete. Next step is want to check this job is working or not. Friends, I add RAM and on off switch and I plug to my USB keyboard. Okay, now we can check what happened. Now I turn it on, apply, see. Yes, it's turning on. Now we can check what happened. See, it get good time and yes, I think job is done. We can check with our numlock. Yes, again restart it. See friend, our job is done. Numlock is working. See friends, our CPU replacement and upgrade process is 100% okay. Thanks for watching friends. Hope to meet next video. Bye bye.